Why is your food production losing margin without you even noticing? No real-time batch visibility, uncontrolled spoilage and yield losses, costly rework and recall risks, working capital tied up in in-process inventory. Disconnected systems hide the true cost and risk across your operations. With Dynamics 365 Finance and Supply Chain Management, unify your entire food value chain, from raw intake to packed dispatch, with real-time visibility and control. Manage temperature-controlled warehouse operations, zone picking and put-away processes for dairy, meat, and other perishable products. Handle catch weight inventory with accuracy for products such as meat and other variable weight items. Key Dynamics delivers end-to-end digital transformation through our AI-first design for rapid implementation. Our AI-powered ecosystem accelerates every phase of transformation. AI discovery and analysis agents capture stakeholder inputs and generate clear business requirements. AI-driven solution design agents recommend fit-to-standard Dynamics 365 configurations with minimal customization. AI-assisted development agents automate coding tasks and workflows for faster delivery. Automated data migration agents validate and clean legacy data for a smooth go-live. And intelligent testing and user enablement agents automate testing and create training guides for faster adoption. Improve forecasting accuracy, reduce spoilage and waste, and gain complete batch and lot traceability. AI-based demand forecasting to drive smarter production decisions and lower inventory and spoilage costs. Ensure full traceability across batches, lots, and expiries, reducing waste, improving compliance, and safeguarding product quality. Our AI-first approach automates routine operations, QA/QC checks, record keeping, and compliance, so teams can focus on critical decision-making and product quality. Powered by Key Dynamics, transform your food manufacturing. Start today.